Got a 2004 Harley Duce, beautiful blue color pearl with this black on top. We're gonna go through all the parts. We're gonna be taking care of some of the nicks on it. Nothing real bad, it's a nice bike. Just some minor stuff. So I'm gonna get the rest of the parts out and I'm gonna start to work on it. Going to be taking care of the rear fender. Just got a little damage here. We're going to go ahead and plug these holes. They're not needed anymore. Got these holes here I'm going to plug up. They're not needed. These are just wet rags protecting the paint. Got my plug there. We're going to go ahead and get those filled. Starting to look pretty good. I gotta do another welding on this one here and this one. I want to show the spray out card I did when you're doing candies or tri-coats, how drastically it changes. This is just the regular paint, and then this is putting the candy on. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 coats. Trying to get it to match. So we're in the 3 to 4 range with it. But if you don't do a spray out, you'll never get that color right. We're gonna put 3 coats of color on it, and then we're gonna go back over it with 4 coats of the candy. 3 coats of color laid down. Now we're going to put the candy over it. Alright, we'll do that 3 more times. There wasn't enough pearl in the black, so I'm going to go ahead and just dust a little bit of pearl on there. Can't really see the blue flake in there, but after I clear it, you'll see it. Definitely out in the sun, you'll see it. Can't really see the pearl. I'll shine some light on it, see if you can see it. That looks a lot better. Got the bike all done. You can really see the sparkle in the sun. It's just not regular black. Can't wait to see this one put back together.